Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and if you're right away noticing the different lighting and a little bit of the setting here, it's because I am outside. It is so gorgeous. I had to come to my screen porch. And yeah, so if you hear the birds or the wind chime, it's because that's how beautiful it is out today. But not to worry. So I will have, let me tell you about what the video today is about. It's going to be a review on this new collection of gel polishes that I have here from ULG. ULG, so this is a seller on Amazon. This set can be found on Amazon. Wait until I show you the particular collection that I chose to review because they have others, okay? So this is how they came. This is a set of six bottles, and each one is 10 ml. They come in this cute little box right here, nicely packaged. And let me show you now. Inside, they each came. Yeah, you can look at the colors. They each came in a little wrap of. It's kind of like those a foam little bag, not the Ziploc, but a kind of like a foam mini bag. But I already removed them, so let me go ahead and get them here out of the box. What else that was included in the box, guys, was this little pamphlet here that tells you about the polish and gives you instructions if you're new at how if you are new at applying gel polish to your nails. It also had removal instructions. You want to put that back in the box. So here are the 6 polishes right here, and as you can tell, so if this is your first time hearing about ULG, because it is for me, you can see, so they have their bottles are glass. They come with a swatch top right here on all of them, very similar to what Madame Glam does. I do like to be able to see the color from the outside, so I don't have to glue any swatches to them. The bottles, like I said, they're 10 mLs. They have on the back, it says UV LED curing and to be soak off. It will last up to 2 weeks, 2 to 4 weeks wear. And yes, so it's good to know that they cure under both UV and LED lamps. As far as the brushes, they apply really well. I already did the swatches, and not to worry about this different lighting that I have going on here of Mother Nature, because the swatches, I do have them in my usual lighting. As you will see, they are indoors, but let me bring you up close. Okay, so here you can see this is the purple, and as far as how they're labeled, let's see, so all of these are glitter. Love, love, love the glitter on them. So they're micro glitters. They're not chunky glitters, okay? They have very good formula. I like the brushes, and none of these happen to have any little bristles sticking out or any unruly bristles. And so the way they are labeled, they don't have names, they have numbers. So this one happens to be number 10. And here's just a quick look at all the 6 colors in this collection. Yeah, so they come in packs of 6. The others that they had, they were cream colors. Of course, I had to pick the glitter ones. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you guys with the swatches that I'm going to do on tips, and I hope you guys enjoy. So there you guys saw how well these applied. I did 2 coats for each one over these tips. And now just to let you know, these gels are the ones that require you to, normal application, they do require a base, a gel base coat. Then you will apply your color, and then you got to finish with a top coat. And you can see, look at that. I have to say this was my favorite. It has the holographic, and again, this is on natural light, but let's see. I don't know if I can get a peek of the sun from my spot. But yeah, so this one has the holographic glitters. It's the darker of these two. This is more like a, there goes the wind chime. This is, it's, I wouldn't, it's a pretty like a dark red. Beautiful color right there. This one is a dark pink, and the glitters are like pink glitters and some silver. This one is the light pink, and it has the pink glitter. The yellow, oh my gosh, I love this yellow. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful glitter right there. And this blue too. I just, okay, I love them all. And the purple. So yeah, that is it, you guys. If you have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that I will have the link down in the description bar below. These are available on Amazon. I would like to thank ULG for sending me these gorgeous gels to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.